Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my DIY protein mask, and it does include banana, egg, avocado, and also olive oil. And if anybody's wondering why that banana is so dark, I did have to ripen it because when I bought them, they were really green. So I did put the banana in the oven for about 20 minutes to ripen it, because you should have a ripe banana and not a green banana. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and cut up the avocado, and I'm just going to be putting everything into my blender. So right now I'm just blending everything up, as you can see. And I like to make mine smooth because when it's really chunky, it's hard to get out of your hair. So the smoother, the better. So definitely recommend putting this in your blender. And I'm just gonna pour this into my bowl because we're going to take this in the bathroom, and I'm going to show you how I apply it to my hair. And right here I'm just adding in about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just making sure to mix that in very, very thoroughly to get it incorporated in. So right here, I am just about to apply the mask. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off like I always like to do. And I'm going to be wearing gloves, and I kind of have a towel around my shoulder because this does get a little messy. And then I'm going to wet my hair with my spray bottle because it's better to do this on wet hair than completely dry hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply the avocado mask to my hair. And it's so hydrating, and so just watch how it makes my curls pop. So a little bit of info on the ingredients that I use. The avocado does contain vitamins A, D, and E, and B6. It's high in proteins, amino acids, magnesium, folic acid, copper, and iron. And then also bananas can give a hair boost in texture, thickness, and shine. It has antimicrobial properties that heal flaky and dry scalp. Bananas over time can lead to hair follicles that are stronger, as a result, longer hair growth. And also eggs restore hair protein, contains biotin to benefit hair growth, has high content of vitamins like A, D, E, K, and folic acid, which prevents hair loss and premature hair graying. So a lot of benefits of this mask. It's all natural, and most of you probably already have this stuff in your kitchen. So if you want to try this, go ahead and try it. I highly recommend it. Your hair will be so unbelievably hydrated. Like, I used this and honestly, my hair did not get as tangled as it normally does when I don't do this. So definitely recommend trying this out. It is the bomb. I'm just like so in awe like how my curls are popping. I've like never like seen my curls pop like this before. Like, can you see my hair right now? Like the curls, like I have never seen my hair like this before. Like, you can see every single curl. Like, this made so much of a difference to my hair. But this is about it, everybody. That's how I apply my avocado mask. And here's a good close-up of how my hair is looking. Looks super, super nice and healthy. So I'm just gonna put my hair up, put a plastic cap on. I left it in for about 20 minutes. Rinsed it out, shampooed my hair. Make sure you use cooler water because you don't want the egg to scramble in your hair. So use cooler water and just shampoo and condition as normal. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will see you in the next one.